Where does the rock go?
On the garden trash.
Okay. Here's one.
Huh?
Here's one.
Huh? Yeah. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Careful, don't drop it. Maybe Daddy should help you with that one.
Ooh, that's a big one.
Here.
Did Daddy get that one?
Yeah.
That's a heavy one.
Oh.
Thank you.